this is the whole green zone. This is the 100,000 square meters of green zone.
Okay.
Obviously, we'll have to plant the trees, which is something we'll do in October and November.
Yeah.
Because it's too warm now. In the back there, you see phase 5 that will be overlooking. Phase 4 to your left. And then phase 3 right here to your in front of you. And phase 2 is being built down there. Phase 2.
Right.
Doing a lot of landscaping at the moment. Now this is, I'll show you the map later on, but you'll see a large curved road going that direction. To hit the roundabout here at the end, we'll drive up to the roundabout.
Okay.
So you can see a little bit. That roundabout basically connects to the road, the new road down towards the sea. From that roundabout, you're about 700 meters away from the sea.
Okay.
Phase 9 will actually be closer by, and there'll be a walkway in between.
What's going on here?
Well, this is going to be green zone, and
Okay.
basically behind those hills, that's where phase 9 is going to be.
Right.
So I'll show you in a sec.
Okay.
This is playground. This is all going to be green areas.
Yeah.
But basically, where that hill is,
Yeah.
that's where phase 9 is going to be.
Okay.
I'll show you why it's complicated to give a view now.
Okay.
Obviously, we don't have the building license yet.
Yeah.
We expect that at the end of the year. And this is basically the road down towards phase 9.
Okay.
Now, the majority of buildings will be right where that black box is to your right, because we can't build to the left.
Okay.
It's too steep.
Yeah.
There's no building there. Now, this huge wall in front of you, that will all go down.
Okay.
Will go down to road level. So this also will also go all down to road level here.
Okay.
Looks like a lot of work,
It
but
does,
it's actually
yeah.
not.
Yeah. So all the apartments will be road level built
Yes.
up from here.
Yes.
Okay.
So we've done the roads already. That's all been finished. But basically, phase 9 will be this area.
All this area. Okay. And what kind of views are we looking at?
Garden views, green views, pool views, that
Okay.
sort of thing.